Hi, this is Simon Says. Let's do some French. So today let's start with the comparative. The comparative, um, and my first example will compare a quality between two people. I'm smarter than Vincent. Je suis plus intelligent que Vincent. I am as smart as Vincent. Je suis aussi intelligent que Vincent. I am less smart than Vincent. Je suis moins intelligent que Vincent. So you have the adjective that is in the middle, and the adjective is modified by the adverb that will be in front of it. Plus, more, intelligent, uh, eh, aussi, also, as much, intelligent, moins, less, intelligent, que, than, Vincent. The apple are more expensive than the potatoes. Les pommes sont plus chères que les patates. The apple are as expensive as the potato. Les pommes sont aussi chères que les patates. The apple are less expensive than the potato. Les pommes sont moins chères que les patates. So you have the adverb, the adjective, que, and you have the second element of comparison, les patates, the potato. How's your health? Today, it's worse than yesterday. This player is worse than you. Ce joueur est pire que toi. So, pire is actually not an adverb, it's an adjective. In this case is worse. Pire mean worse. Uh, we'll use it more often than mauvais when we are comparing two things together. Like here, we talk about the health of somebody. We'll say c'est pire qu'hier. It's worse than yesterday. And somebody that is bad at gaming will say he's worse than you. Il est pire que toi. Now, if we talk about the weather is bad outside. I'm staying home. C'est mauvais dehors. Je reste à la maison. And now we have the example. It's worse than yesterday when we talk about the weather. C'est plus mauvais qu'hier. We can use it like that. We can also use c'est pire qu'hier. So I'll leave it like that. Now, when you want to compare a quantity of something, Paki take more protein than me. Paki prend plus de protéines que moi. Paki take as much protein as me. Paki prend autant de protéines que moi. Paki take less protein than me. Paki prend moins de protéines que moi. So we have Paki and you have moi. We're comparing the two persons about the quantity of protein that they are taking. So protein is the element that we want a quantity, and because of that, we'll put a de in front of it. So you'll have the adverb, the element that has a quantity, then, que, moi. We'll replace aussi by autant because aussi will go with a quality and autant will go with a quantity. So it's the same quantity. It will be Baki prend autant de protéines que moi. Baki take as much protein as me. He sell more car than I do. Il vend plus de voitures que moi. He sell as many car as I do. Il vend autant de voitures que moi. He sell fewer car than I do. Il vend moins de voitures que moi. Adverb de the quantity, the noun that have the value of the quantity, que, then me. Now for the superlative. The superlative will express the higher um, quality of something. He is the most muscular in the class. Il est le plus musclé de la classe. She is the most muscular in the class. Elle est la plus musclée de la classe. He is the strongest. C'est le plus fort. He is the most fragile. C'est le plus fragile. She is the most interesting. C'est la plus intéressante. So in this case, you can see that there's no que and there's not another person to compare to. So it will stop with the adjective. Il est le plus, the adverb, and the adjective. Elle est la plus musclée. So the subject, you'll put le for masculin. Elle est la for féminin. C'est le plus fort. C'est le plus fragile. C'est la plus intéressante. This car is the worst in the neighborhood. Cette voiture est la pire du quartier. The worst. It's the worst day of my week. C'est la pire journée de ma semaine. So here you can see there's nothing else because pire is already an adjective. So it will be la pire. La replacing the car. I hope this video was useful for you. And don't forget to like and subscribe. And I see you later on. Bye bye.